Alright guys, I got it all. What's up YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Oh my goodness guys, today is not a video I want to be recording. I gotta pull the intake off and put another one on because I guess when they pulled the motor out they ended up breaking. I'ma just show y'all real quick what they ended up breaking, and we'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright, we got that out the way. Let me show y'all guys. So y'all see, okay, this is the front of the intake. This piece right here, this holds the cover on. So I didn't notice this till I had everything pretty much put together, and then I was like, man, I'm missing a sensor. So I was like, let me figure this out. And then I looked at AP card, and they had that piece on there, and I was like, what the heck? So they just plugged it off. But I don't want to rock like that, guys. I want everything to be right, even though we used a used motor or whatever. I still want it to be right, you know. So yep, a video I really don't want to record, but I decided to turn you guys on anyways, because we miss y'all, right? We miss them, right? But yeah, so I'm not gonna show y'all me taking every single bolt out or nothing like that. Let me just start getting it tore down, and then I'll turn y'all back on. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We do car content over here. Check out the rest of the channel. Man, you know, we ain't doing nothing but going up. So y'all stay locked in. See y'all in a minute. And I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit as we go. There's plenty of videos out there to do this step by step. But fuel rail is off. It's a T15. You got this one on the driver's side, this one on the passenger side. You take them off, and then one bolt in the back, and you pop the fuel lines off. The one in the back was 5/16. So we got that off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start unplugging everything. Well, I got everything loose, and then I took the 3 bolts off the air intake. It's 2 on the bottom and 1 on the top. They're 10 mil, because I couldn't get this vacuum hose off. So we're gonna pop that off real quick, where I can get to it and pop it off. Oh my goodness, guys! This little bitty vacuum line up under the bottom gave me heck to get off, man. But I got it off. So we gotta clean this bad boy up. So I'm gonna clean that up off camera. And then it had one hose cut right there. I'm gonna have to get off. But man, WD-40, 2 screwdrivers, 2 pairs of pliers later, got it off. Everything else is loose. I only got one hand, so I'm gonna snatch her off. Alright guys, I got it off. I gotta swap everything over. The fuel rails, the hoses, and all that good stuff. I did clean this one real good with a parts washer, and then I just sprayed it down to kind of get that black to come back. I'm gonna finish cleaning this up. So We probably, long story short, we probably not gonna finish this video tonight, cause I got a lot of cleaning to do now. Okay, I'm showing y'all what we got going on. I got the intake valley all cleaned up, and let's see what else. I want to hold off because I want to go ahead and change the knock sensors out. Ain't no reason for putting all that stuff back together and then probably gonna have to end up changing those. So I'm gonna swap everything over tonight off camera, so we'll have that ready to go, and then we'll change the knock sensors tomorrow and we'll bolt everything up, guys.